A common thing that we want to do early in programming with a new language, because we're doing a lot of calculations with numerical values, is we want to learn how to format those numbers correctly. So we'll be working with a couple elements in this program in order to do that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use some user input. So remember, import java.util.scanner. And we'll need to create our scanner object. Scanner input equals new scanner system.in, capital S, period. There we go. Okay, that's better. And now the other thing that we're going to want to do is we want to format values in two ways. So the main number formatting class that we're going to include is java.text. This is in order to format numbers as text to display, so that's how you can remember that, and number format. So you can see that number format, again, just like scanner, because they're the names of classes, begin with capital letters. So try to remember that. Now, we're going to be doing number formatting in two different ways. So we'll create a number format. We're going to call it money. Now, this works a little bit differently than the way that input works. Input works with the common constructor term new in Java. For some reason, money format wasn't created this way. So our money format object money is going to be constructed, not really constructed, but changed in this way. So number format dot get currency instance. There we go. Kind of a long line of code. And then we're also going to be using a percent object. And for this one, it is a get percent instance. So both of these objects will be formatting things in a little bit of a different way. So we need some values that we're going to be doing our calculations with. So we're going to have a price and a discounted price. And what we'll try to do is we'll try to figure out what the percentage discount is. So we'll need a double percent discount. And one thing that'll make it easier too is we'll figure out the difference between these two values and use that in our calculation. Okay. So what we'll ask the user to do in this first situation is we're going to ask them to enter the original price of an object and then the discounted price, and then we will figure out what that percentage discount was. So system.out.print, enter the original price. And this is going to be a double value, so the price is going to be input.nextDouble. And then we will have them enter the discounted price. So enter the discounted price. And then we're going to go with discount. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we'll do a little bit of a calculation to figure out what the percentage discount was. So in order to do this, we're first going to calculate what the difference is. So the difference is we know, because it's a discount, that the original price is larger than the discounted price, and we want to keep a positive value here. So we're going to do original minus discount. So this gives us the difference between the original price and the discounted price. So the way we figure this out now, the percent discount is going to be equal to the difference between the two prices divided by the original cost of the item. And then we'll have our percentage discount. Pardon me. So what we'll do now is we are going to apply this to a new value. So first, let's display the percentage discount. So system.out.println percentage discount. And we'll put plus % discount here. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to prompt them for another new original price. Enter a new original price. And then what we are going to do is we will be calculating what the discounted price is based on this percentage. So in this situation, the discount is going to be equal to the price minus, because we've got a discount. And now what we've got to do is we've got to take this percentage of the original price. So it is going to be the price times % discount. And then what we want to do is we will display what the new discounted price is. So system.out.println new discounted price. And then we'll add on the discount here. All right. So let's check how this program works and how it's not very well formatted. Sorry, I don't have the word original here. This is just price minus discount. There we go. So enter the original price. Say we're going to go with 100, and the discounted price we'll say is $80. Okay, so the percentage discount here is 20%. So I am going to go with 110. And it gives us the discounted price of 88. So that works really well for, these very nice numbers. But let's take a look at what if I did something like this. So if my original price is $11.17 and my discounted price would be $7.43. My percentage discount is 0.334825 and on and on and on. So now if I enter my new original price of 37.45, we get this crazy discounted price. So this doesn't work out quite as nicely as I would hope. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use our formatting tools to make this look a little bit nicer. So what I want to do here is for this percentage discount, I want to format this as a percentage. So we need to use our percent value. So it's going to be percent. And inside the percent object, we've got a format option here. And when we send it a percentage value, it is going to return a piece of text. So remember that %.format returns text. So you cannot do any calculations with whatever it returns. So it'll return text that will be formatted as a percentage. Down here, this will be our money amount, and we can do the same thing, money.format. Just like that. Okay, so if I run the program now, enter the original price, I'll put something crazy in again, 47.32. The discounted price will be 39.17. Now we get a very nice percentage of 17%. And our new original price, we'll say, is 111.11. There we go. And what it does is it'll format the dollar amount as well as a nice 2 decimal dollar amount. Now, the only other thing in formatting that I might want to do here is I might want to add a couple decimal places to my percentage here. So here's how you would do that. So I'm going to further format my percentage object here by putting in this line of code. So percent, this is a long one, dot set minimum fraction digits. And we're going to set that as 2. So now if I run my program again, I'm going to do 111 and 11 cents. I'm going to do my discounted price of $77.77. So here it drops on 2 decimal places, which is nice. You can set that to whatever number you want. And then the new price will say $45.19 gets formatted like this. Okay. So this is the basic way that you would use number format in order to format numbers as a percent and a money. And don't forget this set minimum fraction digits if you want to keep a little bit more precision on your percentage amounts.